Why is it so hard to learn Chinese? It's got to be the tones. Did you say mama, mama, or mama, mama, or mama, mama? At least English isn't like that, right? Welcome to another video on Chinese Speakers English Online YouTube channel. After you've watched this video, if you like what you see, I would appreciate it if you like, share, comment, and subscribe. You could do that now. I won't tell anyone. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know that we've talked quite a bit about pronunciation. If you want to catch up on those videos, you can check out the playlist here. Today we're going to introduce a special group of English words called heteronyms. What's a heteronym? Let me give you an example. How do you pronounce the following word? The answer is, I don't know. This word, spelled R-E-A-D, has two different pronunciations and two different meanings. The first is read, as in, you should read one book every day. The other is read, as in, she read one book every day last summer. Same spelling, different pronunciation, and different meaning. This is an example of a heteronym. Here are several other examples. W-I-N-D. Pronunciation 1. Wind. The wind is blowing. Pronunciation 2. Wind. Wind up the cord. B-O-W. Pronunciation 1. Bow. The violin is played with a bow. Pronunciation 2. Bow. Bow before the king. These are examples of one type of heteronym. There is another type that has to do with syllable stress. For more information on syllable stress, you can check out the video here. Similarly to the heteronyms we just talked about, these are spelled the same and have different meanings, but the change comes when stress is changed from one syllable to another. Kind of like Chinese tones. How do you pronounce the word A-D-D-R-E-S-S? You're right. I don't know either. It's a heteronym. A-D-D-R-E-S-S. Pronunciation 1. Address. He wrote the address on the envelope. Pronunciation 2. Address. Please address the crowd. Here are a few more. P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Pronunciation 1. Present. I gave my wife a present. Pronunciation 2. Present. I would like to present you with an award. R-E-C-O-R-D. Pronunciation 1. Record. The record shows that you were absent. Pronunciation 2. Record. Record the meeting so we can view it later. These are just a few examples of heteronyms. Any of these words, if seen by themselves, we wouldn't know how to pronounce. Fortunately, in most regular situations, we can rely on context to figure it out. And that will be a subject for another video. Did you learn something in this video? Don't forget to pass it on and let me know too. See you soon.